Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Teresa, and I'm a muddled mess. I've been married for 30 years to a great man named Robert. We have two great kids, Jessica, who's 29 and just got married, and my son Bobby, who just turned 21. I'm 50. I just hit menopause, and I'm starting a new chapter in my life. The kids are grown, and they don't need mom as much anymore. So that begs the question, if I'm no longer mom, then who am I? My whole life has been wrapped up in taking care of them, and now I got to figure out what I'm going to do with the rest of my life. And I'm starting a new journey, and it begins with getting my house decluttered and clean. My house stays a mess for several reasons. In this house, we have 4 people, 3 dogs living upstairs, and 3 cats living downstairs. There's dog hair and cat fur everywhere. It used to be that the main areas of my house were neat and tidy, but if you checked the closets, the cabinets, under the bed, there was just crap stuffed everywhere. Then when those got full, I started stuffing stuff in the spare bedroom or in the basement, and then we just finally ran out of room. It's at a point where I just feel like I can't keep up with anymore. It's got to go. I feel like I'm always cleaning but never getting anywhere. Or I'll clean and then an hour later it's dirty again. And there's so much stuff here that in order to clean a lot of it, I would have to actually move everything out of the room, clean the room, and then put the stuff back in it because there's nowhere to put it. A lot of the stuff in my house does not have an actual home. One thing I should mention is that I do suffer from anxiety, and I've had bouts of depression over the years. And I will get up and think, today's the day I'm going to get my house clean. And then I'll go out and look at my house. And a sense of dread and fear just overtake me. And I get so overwhelmed because I have no idea where to start. So instead of dealing with it, I'll go back to my bedroom and I'll play a game on Facebook so that I don't have to deal with it. It's a way of avoiding it. Seems like it's easier to avoid it than to go ahead and do it. Out of sight, out of mind. So I'm mom, right? And I'm still expected, even with anxiety, to do the cooking, the cleaning, the laundry. But there are days when I just cannot deal with it. Just looking at all the clutter gives me anxiety, and it just makes my mind that much more muddled. I started making these videos before I even knew I was going to post them. I started making them as a way of getting myself motivated to do it, and also to hold myself accountable to get it done. It's not easy for me to post these videos because I'm so embarrassed by the way that my house looks. If someone were to drop by uninvited, I would just be mortified. Looking at the clutter makes me just feel like I'm a bad wife or a bad mom, or even worse, the clutter calls me lazy. So I was watching this show on Netflix called The Minimalist, Less is Now. And they posed the question, how might your life be better with less, right? And I thought, yes, that's what I want. I want a house that's easier to clean. I don't want to have to deal with as much stuff in my house. Now I just have to take that step to get it there. I'm not really sure that I really want to be a minimalist, but I would just like to be able to find things when I'm looking for them, and I would like to be able to clean my house easier. I'd like it to stay cleaner. I'm starting my journey, and I'll hope that you'll join me on it. We can clean, declutter, and organize together. I'm going to try to post these videos on Mondays and Thursdays around 2 p.m. Tomorrow I'll probably go ahead and post a video showing you exactly how bad my house is and what it looks like. And I'm embarrassed by it, but I'll go ahead and try to get that posted tomorrow. But if you'd like to know when it comes out, you can go ahead and subscribe and sign up for notifications, and you'll know when it gets posted. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.